When we talk about modern broadcast automation, we usually get caught up in things like workflows, latency, and of course, the costs. But what about the locks on all the digital doors? Today, we are going to zero in on one of the most critical and honestly often overlooked parts of broadcasting: security and compliance. Now, for this explainer, we're pulling everything directly from that massive report, On-Premises versus Cloud-Based Broadcast Automation Systems by Virtualization Options LLC. To be specific, this is a deep dive into Chapter 12 of their 15-part analysis. We're focusing only on the key security and compliance stuff they lay out for broadcasters today. So let me ask you this. It's a simple question, but the answer can be incredibly complex. Your entire operation is probably networked, it's connected, it's talking to the outside world, and all that connectivity, as powerful as it is, brings a whole new universe of risk. This image here really represents a massive shift. Broadcast engineering is no longer about some isolated, specialized piece of hardware sitting in a corner. Nope. It's now a core part of your organization's IT infrastructure. And as the report points out, that integration with IP workflows means we've basically inherited all the cybersecurity challenges that come with any standard IT network. So this brings us to what we're calling our new digital reality. And really, just understanding this challenge is the very first step toward building a solid defense. This isn't about being paranoid, it's just about being prepared for the hyper-connected world we all operate in now. Let me put it this way. Think about securing a traditional, old-school analog studio. It was kind of like locking the front door of a single building, right? One physical point of entry. But a modern networked broadcast system, that's like a skyscraper with thousands of digital windows, doors, and access points. And every single one is a potential vulnerability that you have to secure. Okay, so to protect the system, we first have to understand what we're protecting it from. This brings us to the first key takeaway from the report: really identifying the common cybersecurity threats that broadcasters are facing right this minute. A cybersecurity threat isn't some vague, scary idea. The source material is very clear. It's a specific, malicious act that can cause real, actual harm. We're talking about things that could literally take you off the air, steal your exclusive content, or just corrupt your entire media library. And this slide just lays out what those threats look like in the real world. Unauthorized access. That could be a disgruntled ex-employee or a hacker from halfway around the world who found a weak password. Data breaches. That could mean your next big exclusive is leaked before you air it. Service disruption could knock you off the air. And ransomware, well, that could literally hold your entire broadcast hostage. The big point here is that the danger comes in a lot of different forms. All right, so we've sized up the problem. Now let's talk about some solutions. The report's second key objective pivots right into a proactive defense, and it focuses on one of the most powerful tools we have: effective access control. In principle, it really is that simple. Before you do anything else for security, you have to master the basics of access. If you can't control who's walking through your digital front door and what they're allowed to touch once they're inside, then pretty much nothing else you do is going to be very effective. This is the bedrock of a solid security posture. So to put this into practice, we can use a really clear three-step framework. First step is authentication. That's proving a user is who they claim to be, maybe with a password, a security token, or even biometrics. Second is authorization. Okay, once they're in, what exactly do they have permission to see or do? A producer probably shouldn't have access to deep engineering systems. And third, auditing. This is keeping a detailed log of every single action. It's so crucial for tracking down problems and, frankly, for accountability. As we start to wrap up this deep dive, it's absolutely essential to circle back to the core message from the report. This whole topic isn't just another item on an IT checklist. In today's broadcast landscape, security is completely fundamental to the entire operation. And honestly, this quote from the source material just says it all. You're not just protecting servers and software, you're protecting the very things that make your business a business. Your content is your product, your intellectual property is your edge, and your operational continuity is your business. Security is what protects all of it. So, I'll leave you with this one last thought to chew on. Broadcasters spend a massive amount of time, money, and resources crafting the perfect content plan. The real question is, are you putting that same level of strategic thinking and resources into the plan that protects all of it? Definitely something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.